Okay guys, so today was Sunday, April 23rd, 2023, and I went out to do an ISS Solar Transit. Here's a composite. I took two exposures, one for the surface details and one for the prominences along the edge, and composited them together and colorized them in Photoshop. So we're going to get to the ISS Transit here. So as you can see, the transit happened at 12:11:46. I was a little skeptical getting to my location for this transit because there were clouds coming in and out, and I was just hoping for a little luck with the weather and with the clouds, but such was not to be today. So it was a really great pass, though. If you can look at that ISS angular size there of 60.48 arc seconds, that's about as good as it gets. Of course, happening at 12:11 p.m. the sun is directly overhead almost, and you can't get any closer to the ISS for a transit, so it was actually a perfect time for one. So what you're looking at here is the file almost directly out of the camera. The only thing I've done is dropped it into a timeline here and colorized it. It comes out of the camera as a SER file, so I did have to convert it to an AVI file before dropping it into the timeline. But the only thing I've done here is colorize it. So this is kind of what you would see if you were looking through the telescope with the eyepiece. It has a little bit more of a reddish color when you're looking through the HA scope with the eyepiece, and as you can see, the clouds are slowly floating by here. So I started this clip at 12:16 exactly, and the transit is supposed to happen at 12:16:46. So it's coming up, and you'll see that it happens, of course, right as soon as the clouds really get thick. It comes from the top position, about the 1 o'clock position, down to 7 o'clock position. So if you blink, you're going to miss it. It lasts 0.6 seconds, and that's not the really heavy clouds. These are the heavy clouds getting ready to come in here. You'll notice that when the clouds get really heavy, right before the transit happens, I bumped up the exposure to make it a little bit brighter. And here come the really heavy clouds, just in time for the transit to happen. There it goes, top to bottom, 0.6 seconds. There was the transit, and of course, as soon as the transit ended, the clouds broke and everything cleared up for me. Just in time for me to stop recording and to pack everything up. But that's the way Mother Nature works sometimes. Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. So here I've taken the clip and I've slowed it down to about 20%. Remember, this transit takes place in 0.6 seconds. So it's a very fast blink and you miss it kind of event. But slowed down to about 20%, you're able to actually enjoy it.